Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain you how to find the square root of decimal numbers by long division method. My previous video was about finding the square root of whole numbers by long division method. The method remains the same. There is a slight twist of putting the bars on the in the decimal places. So I'll give you an example for that. So if I have 2.56 or you can say 2 and 56 hundreds, for this is the whole number part and this is the decimal part. Now for the whole number part, I will follow the same process as we do in my previous video in finding the square root of whole numbers. I will put the bar from here, but in the decimal part, I will start from the first decimal place. So like this. If you have something like this, 131.43. Now, the whole number part, start from ones digit, this bar, this bar. For the decimal place, start from the first decimal place and the bar. But if you have suppose 241.341. Now for the whole number part, start putting the bars starting from ones digit, this group, this group. For the whole number part, start from the first decimal, this. But as you can see, 1 is left. I will put 0 to make it as a equivalent fraction or equivalent decimal. And then I will put the bar. So for the whole number part, start from the ones digit. For the decimal part, start from the first decimal place. Okay. Now, let's start finding the square root of 2.56 or 2 and 56 hundredths by long division method. Whole number part, bar, decimal part, bar. Now 2, give me a square number. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 4 is bigger than 2, so I will stick to this. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 minus 1, 1, bring down 56. The moment you reach decimal, put the decimal over here. Now double this, 1 plus 1, 2. Now put a blank over here, put a blank over here because I need to fill this blank with some number so that my answer is less than 156 or exactly to equal to 156. If I try with 6, 6 times 6 36, 6 times 2 12 plus 3 15. I got the same number. So 26 and over here 6. So my answer is 156. Subtract, remainder is 0. So since the remainder is 0, my division is completed. So square root of 2.56 is 1.6 or 1 and 6 tenths. Let's take another example, 12 and 25 hundredths. So let's make this division sign, 12 and 25 hundredths. Whole number part, pairing, grouping, bar. Decimal part, bar. Now, 12. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 16 will be bigger than 12. So I will take 3 square equals 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. 12 minus 9, 3. I reach the decimal point, put the point here, bring down the next group down, 25. Double this 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now I want to fill my blank with such a number so that my answer is 325 or less than 325. If I do 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 6, 12. Way smaller than 325. Let's check with 4. 4 times 4, 16, and it is give me 256, still smaller. I want to try it with 5. 5 times 5, 25, 5, 6, 30, and 2, 3, 32. So 325, perfect. So I got it as 5. So 325, subtract, remainder 0. My division is complete. So square root of 12.25 is 3 and 5 tenths. Next, 231 and 4 hundredths. So 231 and 4 hundredths. On the whole number part, put the bar starting from the ones digit. In the decimal part, start from the first decimal place. All right, 2. I know 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. This will be bigger, so let's do 1. 1 square, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Bring down the next group, 131. Now double this 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2. I am looking for some number, same number. Which one give multiply? Give me 131 or less than 131. So if I do with 4, 4 times 4, 16, 4 to the 8, 96, it's smaller. I can do with 25. Let's check it. It gives me 125, and 26 times 6 will be 6 times 2, 12, plus 3, 15. So this one's bigger, so I'll stick to this 125. So 25 times 5 is 125. 131 take away 125 is 6. I reach the decimal part, put it over here, point, copy down the next group, 604. 25 plus 5, this one. 25 plus 5 is 30. Now what number should I put the same number in the blank, so that when we multiply this whole number with this digit, I should get 604 or less than 604. It's pretty easy. If I multiply with 2, I will get the 604 exactly. So 15.2. So 604. 0. So my division is complete. So square root of 231.04 comes out to be 15 and 2 tenths. That's all in this video. A short video, but a very useful one. So thank you for watching. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'll tell you how to find the square root through repeated subtraction method. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next one.